EndOhm chambers should be cleaned and stored dry after everyday use. EndOhm chamber cleaning with sandpaper is recommended after long-term use. Greater than 6 months to 1 year of use, when you start noticing the background resistance is higher than normal without any samples. This happens due to the fact that the proteins and sugars molecules get deposited from the media onto the electrodes. In your STX2 or STX3 chopstick electrode box, you will find a small piece of sandpaper. Use this sandpaper for cleaning the EndOhm chamber. The black side of the sandpaper is the side which faces the electrode. Take the cap of the EndOhm chamber off. Lightly or gently rub the top electrode onto the sandpaper 4 to 5 times. The surface of the electrode will appear whitish in color. Cut a small piece of the sandpaper. Put the piece into the lower chamber. Use the eraser side of a pencil and cover the metal part of the pencil with a small piece of tape. Now, using the pencil, very lightly press or rub the sandpaper onto the lower electrode 5 to 6 times. After cleaning the chamber with the sandpaper, rinse the EndOhm chamber with 70% alcohol or ethanol once or twice. Then rinse the chamber with distilled water 3 to 4 times. After rinsing with distilled water, the EndOhm chamber needs to be rechlorinated by treating with bleach for 10 minutes. Again, rinse the EndOhm chamber with distilled water 3 to 4 times. Now the chamber is ready for use again.